Hi guys, we're here at Albufeira Marina having a cheeky little sangria. Steve is going to show you what the marina looks like at this time of year, at this time. The sunset is happening, but we've just missed it where we're sat right now because we're at Fat Cats, which is a fantastic bar here. Fat Cats at the marina, you must try it. But he's going to walk down and hopefully get that sunset further back there. Aren't you, Steve?
Can I have one of these first, old kid?
Yeah, I'll have one as well.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, guys. Okay, Steve, that's it. One sip and off skip before this sunset goes.
Okay.
Get working, kid. See you in a bit.
I'll start off at the bottom end of the marina. The sun is brilliant, bright there. Not quite ready for the sunset. Take a walk along the marina. So the first place we come to, it's like the kids' arcade. Got the go-karts in. I think there's a couple just ready to go now. I've not actually seen this in operation up to now. Oh, there we go. Well, they're great for the kids, aren't they? There's quite a few of them. There's scooters, go-karts. There's a bit of an arcade in there. We've got Algarve charters here for all your tours and boat trips. Either pause the video there, guys, or take a snapshot. You'll be able to grab the numbers and emails. It is pretty quiet this time of year. It's the 30th of March, it's Mother's Day. It's about 7 p.m. See what's open. Got the diving school there. San Martino pizzeria is open. Not many people in it though. Got lemon drops open there, and doing a special offer, €3 for a pint. Happy hour. Any cocktail, €7. That's excellent. Very good. In the afternoon, okay?
See you tomorrow.
Okay. El Barrio cocktail bar. You okay? Large beer, $2.50 for happy hour. Cocktail, €6. Got some live music on in there.
It's very good, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Fillet steak on the stone, $18.90. That's really good value for money, that. So, yeah. Grilled sirloin steak, $17.90. Bitock, $14.80. Quite reasonably priced. Nice chill out music there, actually. Got Taska Portuguesa here. There's quite a few down in there. This guy's going to tell us the prices.
Taska Portuguese is one of the best restaurants in the marina, sir.
Yep.
And you can get here fresh food. Fresh food means seafood, fresh fish grill, and we have the carne, you know, the meat.
Yep.
And,
The steak on
beef,
the stone.
Steak, yeah. Steak
I
on
know.
the stone is traditional. It's
I know.
cooked in hot stone.
Yep.
It's very, very smoky and tasty.
I know.
Delicious as well. And we have three sauce: garlic, barbecue, and pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce, yeah. It's my
And
favourite
have some
pepper
other
sauce.
fillet steak as well.
Yep.
And we have small items, snacks, tapas, fresh salad, and starters. You can share this, all of items.
Okay. Thank you very much, mate. Yeah, it looks a nice restaurant, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it does look a nice restaurant, that. Now, here we've got Irish Pub Jack's. It's quite busy. Now, as I passed it before, there was like Kizomba music upstairs. They were dancing. I don't know if it's a private class. Maybe. I'll take a little peek. Let's see if we can go in there, guys. Let's see. It's okay if I go in, mate? Yeah? You okay? Upstairs, do you have a private class on?
Yeah.
Is it Kizomba?
Yeah, Kizomba, Bashar is on.
Bashar. Okay, can I just go, yeah? Oh, that's nice. The guy said I could go up there. Really nice bar, this. Didn't realise it was so big. I'll pop up the stairs, guys. I think I've just missed it because most people are coming down the stairs. Sounds really busy. Sorry about this. Yeah, so it's like a private class for Kizomba music. Unfortunately, we just missed it as I was walking past earlier on. They were in full swing, all dancing. Must be like a weekly event. Very nice. And there's the view from the little dance school up above Irish Jacks. That's nice. Well, it's a shame I missed that one. Is this every week, mate, for the dancing? Yeah, every Sunday. Yeah, so we'll know to come next time. Such a shame. Yeah, they were rocking up there before. So I think every Sunday, 6 while 7, is Kizomba on in the Irish bar. We've got the bowling alley here. I'll just pop in. Might get a copyright restriction on the music. I'll try and speak over it. We've got the bar there. And I think it's a 8-lane bowling alley there. Great place to come with the kids, especially if you've got bad weather like we've just had in March. Got a little amusement arcade there. It's also got an arcade for the kids as well. Quite busy, the bowling in there. Got the wine and sushi. Never actually been in there, but when I have passed, it's been pretty busy. Got the nice sign there, lit up, ready for the night time. Like I say, I am a bit early, 7 o'clock-ish. Maybe it'll get a bit busier later on. But if you do like to holiday and have a nice little chill out and avoid the hordes of people, then this is a perfect place to come, especially out of season. The ice cream parlour there. Got Fat Cats there, just been refurbished. Got Sue in the background there, I hope she saved me a drink. Yeah, I'll pop in. It has just been refurbished. I'll just take you in and show you, I should say. So got a new bar area. You okay? And then we have the screens showing the football and the tennis on. They've done it very nice. And then next door at Sharkey's bar, I believe, there is a wedding on. It's a private function. Very busy inside. And across on the terrace. Like I say, we can't join them because it is a private function. Got the gymnasium up there. The supermarket's closed. Then we've got all the boat houses there that you can rent. I really fancy trying them. And then you've got a beautiful view of the marina. So I just thought I'd give you a sneaky little view of the marina in March, so you can see what it's like for yourself. If you like this little video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.